much videos on the Brother Persona, but I still decided to take the plunge and go ahead and get one and just see how it works. And I'm so glad I did, because I definitely fell in love with this machine. And not only that, since there wasn't too many videos out there on this particular model of the Brother, I decided why not make videos myself. All right, let's see here. So I just tied off the white thread. Now I'm pulling the excess beige thread through. And let me change the angle for you guys so you guys can see that automatic threader in action again. Sorry for the shaky camera. There we are. All right, so the white thread is pulled through. I'm gonna hit my automatic threader button. That mechanism's gonna come down like so. And I'm just go through the prompts of getting it tied off or cut off. Hit the automatic threader button again. And there we have it. The white thread has been pulled through the eye of the needle. This machine definitely comes in handy, you guys, that automatic threader, for those of you who might have like some shaky hands and not the best vision to where you can't fully thread it by yourself. Definitely check out one of these machines that has an automatic threader feature. Even if it's not this machine, maybe if it's like a baby lock machine or Janome machine or something, I highly recommend getting something that has that automatic threader feature. All right, so the white thread is through. Let's go ahead and start it up. Once again, you are tuning in with Chris with Patch Boy Darb. Patches for the culture. Be sure to look down in the description box and check out our Amazon affiliate links. If you want to pick up a MightyHoop, be sure to use promo code PatchBoy and receive free shipping off your MightyHoop order. If you want to order one of these MightyHoops for your Brother Persona specifically, be sure that you select the right category, because you don't want to get a hoop that's for a different type of Brother machine. You want to make sure you get it for the single needle Brother machine. Let's see what we got right here. All right, we got Eartha Lewis. She says, I bought my Persona about 18 months ago and love it. That's good to hear. I'm glad you love it. I bought this original one going on maybe 2 years now, almost 2 years ago. And this newer one is still under a year old. I loved it so much that I had 2 of them. Hey. Thank you, Donald. I appreciate you too. I appreciate you tuning in. I appreciate you watching the content. Glad I'm able to help you guys out when it comes to this Brother Persona. Let's see here. So it just finished with the white thread. Now we got to change to the dark brown thread again. And the dark brown thread is for doing the details in the eyes. Let me zoom in so you guys can see it. So as you can see right there, the little details of the eyes. The text is never quite right when it comes to these colors. It says deep gray, but it's really a dark brown. Not sure why it says that. But as long as you, the embroidery artist, knows what color you need, you'll be all good. All right, let me go ahead and change this color thread. Like I said earlier, I do plan on doing more live streams. But I do want to get I do need to pick up a specific cord so that way I can connect my actual camera to the computer. So that way we can get you guys some better quality. Not only that, I'll be able to connect my microphone too, so that way we can get better audio as well. Let me adjust this. And yes, I do got a Chucky doll right there. MC Chucky Chuck. All right, back to the embroidery. Let's go ahead and pull this through. All right, so I just threaded up that dark brown thread. Let's go ahead and lock it and start it. And I'm gonna go ahead and change the angle so you guys can get a better view on it. We are approaching the 33-minute mark of this live stream. Thank you guys for tuning in, who's been here since the beginning of the live stream. I appreciate you. What we got here?